Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the night mode on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite camera. So first, open the camera app, and right here on the bottom, hit more, and then find night. In night mode, we have one option right here that is timer, and one right here, the size of a photo. Now, when you shoot a night mode photos, then remember to keep your phone steady. As you can see, when I hit to take a photo, hold your camera still and it takes some time. So I would highly recommend using a tripod. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.